Hi, my name's Gabrielle. Over the past few months, good fortune has blessed me with Sela as my vocal coach. Whilst I was initially extremely nervous, Sela made me feel very much at ease, increasing my confidence to really have a go and embrace the experience and learning. Sela firstly ensured that I had a good understanding of my goals and so that we were on the same track. With Sela's guidance, I have increased my vocal range from 1.5 to 2 octaves. My breath control has significantly improved, as has my understanding of the phrasing of modern music and the difference between the type of choir singing I did years ago and the conversational style of current music. Most importantly, understanding pitch identification, tone variation, vowel placement, vibrato control has had a powerful difference to how I approach and practice my songs and to the end performance. Sela uses her vast technical knowledge and experience and gives me scales and techniques that are really manageable and effective. With each lesson, Sela ensures I feel what part of my body I'm using during the lesson so that when I go back and practice, I know what it feels like to produce the right tone and pitch. I really enjoy how I sound now and how that keeps getting better and easier. It's been wonderful fun, mainly due to the feeling I keep achieving something significant with each passing week, and am progressing towards my goals much faster than I had dreamed. I have no hesitation in highly recommending Sela and Vox Academy for vocal coaching for all genres.